All right. It's on record.
Okay, what'd I do?
Nothing. Point.
Okay, we're gonna take a still.
No, it's rolling. Don't touch anything. Don't touch
Okay.
anything. Turn it over. You don't even touch anything. It says record, right?
I don't know what it says. Something blinking to the left.
Yeah, it's fine. All you gotta do is hold it. We don't always catch them like this.
But most of the time we do.
Caught them right today. So we're gonna take home a nice stringer fish. We gotta do some cleaning right now.
Can you lift them up?
But this is definitely best day of this year's. Definitely the best day of this year.